Ready to take your photography to the skies? 2026 is packed with camera drones that are smarter, faster, and more jaw-dropping than ever. Today we're diving into the best drones that'll turn your shots from ordinary to cinematic. Let's see which one soars above the rest. To grab any of these drones, check the links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like or dislike, and tell us in the comments which one is best for you. All right, let's get started. Number 5, DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro redefined what an ultralight drone could do. Obstacle sensing, a 4K 60 frames per second camera that rotates for vertical shots. Creators loved it. Now the Mini 5 Pro pushes the envelope even further. A larger 1-inch sensor, 4K video at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-mo, and 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color give you serious creative flexibility. There's around 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you can start recording without a micro SD card. Front LiDAR and full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance make flying safer even in low light. With up to 36 minutes of flight time and a strong transmission range, the Mini 5 Pro proves lightweight drones can deliver pro-level performance. Number 4, HoverAir X1 Pro Max, an 8K camera in a compact, foldable drone. The X1 Pro Max makes it happen, with smart AI tracking to boot. HoverAir pioneered AI tracking drones, and this model is a major upgrade. Stronger camera, longer battery, and safer flights. You can fly it with AI, your smartphone, or an optional beacon remote for physical control and extended range. It doesn't have ultra-long distance reach, but the precision with its 8K camera is perfect for creators filming themselves without a camera operator. A seriously impressive solution. Number 3, DJI Flip drone design hasn't changed much in years, but the Flip is different. Its lightweight frame uses spoke-style propeller guards. Looks unusual, but this rugged folding design is surprisingly pocket-friendly. Even with the guards, flight time hits around 30 minutes. The enclosed propellers make it safer and allow hand launches. Pair that with AI tracking, and it becomes a hands-free selfie drone. A remote comes with either a phone-connected controller or one with a built-in screen for full control. The 3-axis gimbal keeps footage stable, and 2 gigabytes of internal storage backs up your shots. Slightly noisier? Maybe. But the safety and convenience make up for it. Number 2, Antigravity A1. This is a unique concept executed brilliantly. Built by Insta360, known for the X5 and X4 Air 360 cameras, it brings their advanced tech to the skies. Weighing under 250 grams, it's easy to fly with minimal paperwork. The grip controller and FPV goggles make flight smooth and intuitive with tutorials built in. Retractable landing legs protect the lens, folding arms don't need a sequence, and the charging hub even shows battery percentage. Precise FPV control meets post-flight editing in the Insta360 Studio app, perfect for creators who want full control. Number 1, DJI Air 3S. Close to a perfect all-rounder. In the US, availability is tricky, but the Air 3 is a solid alternative. Upgrades? The main camera is a 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor with a 24mm lens, plus a secondary 48 megapixel sensor with a 70mm telephoto lens. Dual cameras expand to creative flexibility for tracking or varied perspectives. 42 gigabytes internal storage keeps you ready to fly. In the air, it feels stable and confident. Image quality is outstanding. Dynamic range strong. ISO 100 to 12,800. LiDAR-assisted low-light obstacle sensing makes nighttime flights safer and more reliable. After testing them all, the DJI Mini 5 Pro takes the crown. Perfect blend of portability, power, and pro-level footage. If you want the ultimate aerial companion in 2026, this is the one to grab. The one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.